9/16/2020 NASDAQ Composite breaking below the 10-day moving average. The blue line that you see right here is the 50-day moving average. FOMC meeting today. All of my friends around the world and all our trading staff around the world is just to let it be known is that if we break below that 50-day moving average, that tech sector, what has been working, sells down. And it does. And other parts of the market that are inflationary based, those kind of stocks will go up. And the cyclicals. And there'll be other areas where stocks will move higher. And yeah, you're not going to see $40, $50 moves like we've been seeing. Yes, we're going to still have volatility, don't get me wrong, and whatnot. And there's going to be a lot more volatility with this FOMC, the way that these rates and what the real, outcome of all of this is. And the NASDAQ composite, which is heavily weighted with all of the tech names as we know them and trade them daily, and all the good names. If we break below that 50-day, we go a lot lower, and we do. And we still have the daily sell signal in that MACD is still minus 86, which is a little bit better than in previous days. When we go to the weekly chart, all of my friends, there is a problem here. That beige line that's been traveling with the weekly rally for so long up to the top to the reversal now on the NASDAQ composite is at extreme jeopardy, and it closed slightly right below it. If we break below it, then this trend line where I have my crosshairs right there, that's a weekly support level for this, because that's where we went through the resistance over here. And once we had cleared this resistance, and then it became new support, and we rallied to the top, and now it's all at risk. And presidential elections, let me tell you another thing too on this one. When they do break key weekly moving averages, they go lower very quickly. There's a lot of money to be made to the downside when this happens. So that's good news. Just go ahead and get in the alert service. Down here on that weekly MACD, it's only at 36. It's been dropping on a weekly level, which, I call it a very negative, and I do. And money can be rotating out of the names that drove this market over the summer period. There are some household name ones, your ones that stay at home stocks and those kind of things are what they're going to be. But the volatility gets bigger on the NASDAQ composite moving forward on this very date. Go ahead, get signed up now and be ready for the volatility. When I say it's coming, you better listen. So, if we break it, it really gets big, and we're right on it. If we don't have a gap open up tomorrow morning, there's going to be a problem at this point. And we can take a look at the monthly level, which is looking real good still. It's just that if we break the previous month's low, and we're sitting right down here now, right where my trend line is, everybody, and that's going to be about 10,720, which is below the market. 10-month moving average is down here where the gap up was on the monthly level, and then we ran up the second month to the reversal month here. And this month had a lot of volatility in it, but nonetheless, what led the market higher and a rotation in money and other kinds of names and other kinds of stocks can definitely cause a downtrend. So on the monthly level, there's that support on the NASDAQ composite to all of my greatest friends and everyone watching the video and those that need to get into the live free live trading room. Let's get with it. We're here to power you right now.